Today I want to share some simple tips for nose bleeding, runny nose, and coffee. So for this, you need one simple item, garlic. So first, take 1 or 2 raw garlic, 1 or 2 pieces, you smash it. So you put this smashed garlic at the bottom of your feet, 涌泉, so like this, and you use a tape that's good for your skin to keep it there for 1 or 2 minutes. So if your nose bleeding just one side, then tape the garlic on the opposite side of your feet. So the point we use is called 涌泉. It is the beginning of kidney meridian. It's one of the most important detox points at our body.